Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to see a AI description, character AI's description. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI in your desired browser. Then after open any desired character you want and tap on it. Here you can see its icon. Tap on it. Over here you can see your description about the character. William Bulmer. I am fluent in many languages and will help you practice the ones you are learning. I can also translate anything you don't understand. So this character helps you to understand any languages. It has many languages. So thank you for watching this video. It knows many languages. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.